Hello again. So now I'm going to do a little IXL for you so you can see how to do today's assignment. It says write the sentence as an equation. The product of 292 and P is 130. So I know product means multiply. So I'm just going to do 292 times P. You can use parentheses if you want, but just writing it next to each other shows multiplication. And then is our equal sign. And then 130. And D decreased by 107 is 264. So I'm just reading the sentence and typing it as an equation. But what I want you to remember on IXL is when you get one wrong, you need to go read the explanation. I know you like to just click got it and move on, but the explanation really explains well why you got it wrong and how to do better next time. That's the whole point of it, is how to get better so you don't make the mistake again and keep going backwards. Okay, so read the explanations. D subtracted from 218. Okay, now when it's written this way, I have to write the number first because it said D is subtracted from that number. Okay, is the same as 254. The quotient of 225 and Y, now quotient means divide, is the same as Y. Okay, quotient of 225 and Y is the same as Y. H is the same as, so I have H is N decreased by 121. H subtracted from 361 is the same as A. So again, H subtracted from 361. So I have to put the number first and then subtract H from it. Is 300, no, what is it? A. It's the same as A. All right, let me just jump a level to help you out and so that this video isn't super long. H is the same as 190 divided by K. Z less than 71. Again, you're going to have to flip this around. So Z less than 71 looks like this. Is the same as 344. All right, I'm going to jump again. And so if you're getting some wrong around this area, you really need to read the explanation because it will explain it to you well. N plus 254 equals the product of F and 41. So product means multiply. So I'm just going to write 41 times F. Or you could use parentheses if you want. Okay? M divided by 157 is equal to the quotient, which again means divide, the quotient of C and 96. Okay. 299 added to Y. Now technically I should write this the other way because 299 is being added to Y. Is the same as the product, which means multiply, of 354 times W. And then W more than 215. So 215 goes first, plus W equals the sum, which means add, of 286 plus P. All right, I'm going to stop there. Email me if you have any more questions. And I love to hear from you guys, so please email even if it's just to say hi. And I'll see you guys later.